If you have any credit cards that support Paze, then I'm going to show you how you can basically get food for free even at places that aren't officially supported. If you don't know what Paze is, I have another video on our channel that explains exactly what it is. The most important thing to know is that right now, they're running a promotion where if you spend $10 with Paze, you get $10 back. And this promotion will last until September 10th of this year. Looking at the official Paze merchant list, we can see merchants like Dunkin', Domino's, and Wendy's. But there's another way to use Paze at places that aren't officially supported. You can actually use Paze at certain restaurants that support a payment processor called Clover. The easiest way to figure out which restaurants support Clover is by clicking the link in the description or in the comments that will bring you to this tool. Once you're on this website, you can easily search for all the restaurants that are nearby that support Clover. Looking here, we can see a list of all the restaurants that support Clover. It even tells us which restaurants have the online ordering option disabled or enabled. Now I will show you how to order online with Clover and how to pay with Paze so that you get $10 off your meal. Once you found a restaurant that you want to order something at and it has online ordering enabled, just click the restaurant. So in this example, I'll just select this one. Click order, add all the items to your cart. I personally try to get my total as close to $10 as possible to maximize the credit. You can even break up your order so you have multiple orders that are a minimum of $10. That way you can activate the $10 promo on each order. In this example, I added something that was close to $10 and now I will check out, continue the checkout, continue as a guest. And then here in the bottom right, just click Paze, go through the login process. Make sure you select a card that has a promo. You can see here, I have the promo of spend $10, get $10 back. Then the last step is just to click pay now. Once you do that, the transaction should complete. And in a couple days, you should get a $10 credit back to your credit card statement. You can see in the screenshot that I ordered using Clover, and then I got back a $10 Paze credit. That is the end of this tutorial. If you want to learn how to enroll a credit card into Paze, click on the video on your screen now.